Monday, March 18th. We're going to check in with Dad. So, Dad is still on light duty here. What are you doing here today?
I bought a brand new cylinder.
Okay, right. Yes.
And lifted it up and it creeps.
Okay.
So I have to renew a different seal in.
Okay. Thankfully, he's got a gazillion seals here. But Dad actually identified this yesterday as it wasn't working for him.
No,
So
the old one is there. Would have held it right there, standing up.
yeah.
Well, it was leaking.
Okay.
Bypassing.
Yeah.
So I bought a brand new one this morning.
Okay.
Son of a bitch was no good. The trouble is that right down the bottom it says made in China. So
Yeah.
that's your problem.
Get what you buy. So, lots of construction going on here.
We're putting the insulation in the ceiling right now.
Okay. And Coop is busy working, helping out Dad here because Dad can't do this. How you liking the work so far, Coop?
Pretty good.
Good?
I
This
got
is,
some email from some guy named Baldwin. He says he wants me to hire me to build pianos. You know?
oh, good. Okay. So,
Yep.
Oh, you
Coop
did
is,
it or- oh, no.
Dad's,
All you have to do is put down here, make sure this end is hanging out right, when you're finished.
Coop's helped out Dad on quite a few Bombardiers here already, so I imagine that once he's got all this cut out and whatnot for today, it'll probably be in place by the end of the day or tomorrow.
No, it'll be in place today.
Okay, you hear that, Coop? Okay, so Dad's busy playing around with this, and we'll see what else is going on here. Okay, one of the things I wanted to address with you guys is we've got boxes of bearings and seals here, and that's all fine and dandy, but this came from 14 different locations. I'm not lying to you, 14 different locations, and it took me over 2 months to get all this stuff in. And some of your guys' bearings look pretty ratty like this. Now I'm going to show you something real quick. What I'm showing you here is some seals, and these seals are very specific seals, and one of Dad's customers needed these, so I want to show you this. And you might not think, well, okay, well that's normal, whatever else. See this box, how faded it is? Okay, see how this box, how it's crushed and faded and whatnot. This is what's coming off the shelf. So if you guys need seals, you need bearings, you need races, you need to start ordering your stock, because the stuff doesn't exist anymore. I went to go order seals the other day, and there was 3 of this type of seal that I was looking for available left in Canada. 3. Each of those seals was $66 each. I found them online in the States much cheaper and ordered from there. However, there was a note on that order, and that note said wholesaler selling out. So my point is, you guys need to order your bearings, races, and seals for anything that you got, because it may not exist, or exist only in limited quantities. And I don't want to keep on sounding like a broken record here, but we can't manufacture bearings, races, and seals. And Ryan Johnson is supplying you with a lot of parts, but he's not making bearings, races, and seals. So look at what you need, start ordering them now, so you don't have an issue down the road. That is my public service announcement for today. So we got 2 pieces in so far of insulation, and they're going to keep on working there. And hopefully this is done by the end of today, all the way up to the front. And they got the plywood, and they have on good on one side, but they got to put this insulation in first.
Did I put that down on the